We are here in Wilderness Park, and this adorable house is listed right under $400,000, $399. House was built in 2022. Let's go check it out. So coming in here, see it's a beautiful open concept. We have family room right here. There is a space for a table over here. Large kitchen, kitchen island, nice big kitchen sink. Like I mentioned, this house was built in 2022, so all of these appliances. Off the kitchen, we have the primary bedroom and the primary bathroom. Stepping down the hall here, we have a coat closet. An actual full-size laundry room. And this is where the water heater and some extra storage are. The bedroom number 2, which they have set up as an office. A full bathroom over here. And another bedroom. This house is a 3-bedroom home built in 2022 in the Lake Wilderness subdivision. Let's take a look at the backyard. So right here, this home actually backs up to Battlefield. That is all protected land. It's a small little shed over there. And a beautiful view of the lake.